The 2015 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, cruise control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.